Ete mala ta obuni mono tininya obuni ba saro no. Ete mala yerote ta tami bakala di sosipu mono wa papara tita mono. Away ni metala bakrabatu patala batawa basikom no. Obuni tinine bakrama manile batakrama manile ne bakrabatu patala batawa mono. You know this Sabbath. Sabbath mean you should rest at home or you should go to church or you should be clean yourself no and then no mala dito do mera la ubutini la pagaba ubuyo lo pagaba mata lo ba palisosi lo pagaba no you can do so many things okay and reading bibles or the cleaning yourself no you can not do about the God telling you okay seventh day is that you should be rest your okay man service maid service okay and then you and your children and your wife and your household okay and your animal okay everything you should rest this day the seventh day okay I want to read for you about the seventh day about Jesus talking okay because Pharisees given the explanation about Jesus why okay I want to read for you this one okay Lords of the Sabbath when I meet la obuni exam obuni exa pagten mala obuni la of the Sabbath sidan metala kasala obuni no at the time Jesus went through the grain fields on the Sabbath now pene tasito pene sector ni dana kasai sune awele ra pagten mala awate hatawara su no pagten mala siplo no la obutani no dana mu obu ni ko bu ne awele ra siplo no we hatawara barale siplo no Panadol, his disciples were hungry and began to pick some head of grains and eat them. No, but then play about it funny. No, his disciples sit down a play about on the funny away it was tata with that. No, tata with that away there. No, but then hini over begins. Sarah hini over that. When a hini with a bakala. No, he over that. But then boo. Bu a kuto no bu a quoted pan no coral has a kumo and whether he without or whether over no and each then no no panero when the Pharisees saw this panero pa Pharisees TV no Pharisees saw this man Pharisees saw this sidan mera pa Pharisees TV no when pa Pharisees TV do no they said to him, no, whatever or they said to him, whatever or no, look, no, qua, no, look, sit down and qua, no, your disciples are doing, no, when they meet a na, what, na tama put, no, na plan about it, palm, disciples, sit down, na plan about, but your the dog put them and napua, no, napua, napua, the pano, mara. What is that? What is unlawful on the Sabbath? No, when no, kita la no unlawful sidane. Pagkita mala no, tala lawful sidane me tala pagkita mala tatu no tatu unlawful taba tatu no, taba tatu wala obunitani no, taba tatu no, na plan about it pa mata we taba tatu erotib no. He answered sidane no Jesus answered no when he aware no he answers sidamina aware sishawe sidamina yesu sishawe no yesu sishawe haven't you read no why David did no but natu tapaba ba no sotawi matani no sotawi matani tipaba when he and his companions were hungry no pagdara pair away pagdara mala where a pair sort of widow no at the quarter pa no tao with a khani no tao with a khani no companion sidane no at ko petete me ba no a play at petiati no do at the mutako no anokon he enters the house of God now whether lenwa su yua hipu no enter the house of God sidane no whether lenwa su yua hipu no yua hipu and he and his no companions ate the no consecrated bread no pagdel mala order no aware at the quarter pani no pagdel no pagdel order no order la consecrate no consecrate sidane no pagdel attack soba no when it made tala no kaso no take soba ta otit pama no attack the power pagdel which was not lawful for them to do no away ne me tala no the baba le no the great baba le away ma wa fit away ma wa no the great baba no away ma wa tin the baba no the blood con ne pake pa khu pa nam no ne pe pa ma la phe pa ta no con ne the baba no te no pay ni te da no but only for the priest no put ma te paluta do only for the priest no te paluta do no or have you read in the law that on the Sabbath the priest in the temple no desecrate the date and yes are innocent no innocent pakete ma la ne tu ta pha ba no phai ni je bra la no ne tu ta pha ba wa ta tu ta so o wa la pha u bwi ni atot bu ni no pakete ma la paluta do te ta pha ni no paluta ta pha do te pha ni o lo ta le hi pu no do awe te ra no pe o pe so ra pe so ra ma hi no hi awe pe o pe so ra ta wa no the date and yes are innocent awe ne me ta le takama no takama to ba pakete ma no tu se la awe ne takama to ba no I tell you this no one greater than the temple is here no yekte tu no wa ta kha no pakete ma adu ni di ta li hi ne o phe lo no greater than the temple is here no wa ta kha adu ni di ta li hi ne o phe lo no phe no if you has known what these words mean no name ne tu me ti nya la no ta ka to we I ti pha ni no ta ku we asi di le ti pha ni no di me ti nya ni no I deserve mercy no desire mercy sidan no ye ba ye ta la ta ka nyo no sacrifice na ta me le ta lu ta pa ba no sacrifice ta me le ta lu ta pa ta lu ta ba no you would not have condemned no their innocent na pa ti ma la condemn sidan me la ta pa pe to no na tu ta ma ba ta pa pe ta ba no do pa ti ma la ta kum kama ba innocent ta kama to ba tu ta pa lo pe so ra ba for the son of man is lord of the Sabbath now when it makes you are no pa ti ma son of man na pa ka nyo phu kwa yi me wa da la kasa no kasa la open ni lo pa nyo phu kwa yi kasa lo open ni lo le ta no ko ta ra pa kro pa su pa da phe he served to them no awe te ba awe ti ma no do yesu te ba awe ti if any of you has a sheep no when it put no pay te ra going on from the place sorry no going on the place no put let to su ta la when he went into their synagogue no awale no su ta la hi pu no put ma la ta lo no a man with the no go la sadness no picture ma pain no sarivels no awale kira la apa pesora no awe ora tasutasa hand no atasutasa o pen no hand was there no awe o pen pon kanyo ka la oro asu patasa o pen no looking for a reason to accuse Jesus no parga padu ne akwa wada bakha la didu ro pagter ma no kapata kama kwara pata kama la kasai su lo no away name it tatu pagdemano quara alone panero they ask no away the thiqua ramano away the thiqua they ask him no away the thiqua or no they ask him away the thiqua it is the lawful to heal on the Sabbath no away name it mu ubui tanile no taba mabla or taba mabla or tatu tato si ramano mo ubui tanine tibalu mabla no Mabla fear, mano, on the seventh day, no, when Mabla fear, no, but something like it pain, he answered to them, no, aware, see where, no, he said to them, aware, David, no, if any of you has a sheep, no, the few may oh, do it at the patagama, no, me odo, so, no, it fall into pit on the Sabbath, no, put a lot de takupu. Lo obunitani, mono obunitani, not there, no. Will you not take hold of it and let it out, no? Away in the food that he talk with or le through pseudo poitemana, through the he talk with or bado, poitemana. How much, no, through the he talk with or ba, kathia, no? To Okathia, no? How much more valuable in the man than and sheep? Pagitema Pacanyone, no, Pagita Aludu Pudu Tele, no, Permitus Draw, no, Pagitema Thuni, no, Pagnon Aludu Pudu Tele, no. Therefore is, now Pagitema, therefore is lawful to do good. Now, away name Mitala, Pagitema Tatu Tathoni, no, Namataki, Ted Mataki, no. On the Sabbath, now we tell my opportunity in the Matagi name on everyone. No, lawful to do good, Shaname, opportunity in the Matagi, Nilo, no, or when it given. Then he said to the man, no, do away Davida, no, Pakanyoweni, no, stretch out your hand to turn the soup, no, to turn the soup. So he stretched it out, and it was completely restored. Now, Penero, I went to the issue. No, I went completely snare. Lolo Pupwe, Ataba, Atalomaku, no, Lolo Pupwe, Ata, Pagatamala, no, Blacky way, Sikolo, no, Lomaku, Siko. Just as sound as the other. No, when a big dollar, Tetamilla, Paganyote Pano, no, I went a Tama Athala for Agasiko. But now pagkitera sound lock kama physical pagkitera no pagkitera mala law kama ba po with him no but the Pharisees went out and the plotters how they might kill Jesus no when the Pharisees they pani no when they hot over no pagkitera mala ka kuto palo wala kasai sulo kaba mati no kaba pakamati o no they how away come bamati dile no put our kid Jesus no let no could up a crop at the Sabbath day is you can healing you can do good thing okay you can needle or you can help okay you Sabbath day is this good thing you can do okay let no could open it in a taggy down what it part of the grammar. Personally, the Sabbath day, okay, you can rest, but you don't have food. You can go buying food, I think so, because you don't have food at home, alright? You're busy all the time. But no, opportunity, non, Britain, Tapitama, and the poor at the Fiba, Hotara. Opportunity never the poor at Philo, Yasukomo, no, didn't it, no? But Sanaki, to Kropatupata, no? 6th day, the God gives you to walk, no? Who thought ni kasaya matu madama no only 7th day no nui thought ni tu tikro madama wani kasaya du balo tu talo no leta no khutalo pay ni betinya la ta du ta de lo papa secretary ta lo kasai su hi wera no Pharisees talking about the Sabbath no and then Jesus explained the Sabbath no we understand about this day okay I think you will be get something from this, no? You can read in verse the Bible, okay? You can read about the Bible, Matthew chapter 12, verse 1 to 14. Okay, reading by the Bible. Matthew chapter 12, verse 1 to 14. Okay, and then you will see there. Okay, you will see there, you will get something there, you will understand it there. Okay. Nó từ cơ và từ bắt đầu từ cái phàm nó từ cái sản là từ về mà nó chỉ chế ra này từ lớp bụi lớp từ vào bắt sang là cái từ cái phàm nó Matthew asedo no Matthew asedo the siki asapoto ti lo the silui ne o pha ne lo no mo yo so ke tu the so ke ti bu ko bo the tu ta le ta ke ta pi ta ma ti pha le tu ka plo sa ne ke no. God bless you. God will take care of you, and then you will repent, and then you will see something important for you, and then you will take care about yourself and the seventh day. Okay, and then God bless you. God will with you, and then God stay with you. God will help you about understanding the gospel. Bye bye. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and my sister. We see you next time. Bye bye.